Today, I will teach you the benefits of fruits and vegetables juicing. Not only for the fact that it's healthy, but it's quick and easy. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like this video, comment and share. Juicing is one of the best ways to compensate for the toxins and ever-diminishing nutrient value of our food. For some people, whipping fresh fruits and vegetables through a juicer and extracting a glassful of vitamin-packed nectar ensures that they get the recommended 5 to 7 servings of these foods every day. Others like juicing to get more carotenoids and flavonoids, which are healing compounds that can fight major diseases like cancer and heart disease. Still others see juicing as a way to get rid of the toxins in the body, boost immunity and help to treat a variety of diseases, like anemia, constipation and arthritis. Juices are a multivitamin and mineral supplement for people who don't want to take pills and capsules. Your body absorbs the nutrients much better than it does from pills. Although plants are full of vitamins, minerals, and other healing compounds, these substances are bound to fibrous tissue and contained within cellulose walls. When you grind up vegetables or fruits to make juice, you break down the cellulose, releasing these compounds and making them available for absorption. Unless you chew very well, you won't get all the nutrients from food that you get from juice. In fact, juice is one of the most powerful whole foods that you can put in your body. It takes very little energy to digest it, so you maintain almost all of the energy and nutrients that it gives. Plus, it takes a whole lot of vegetables to get the same amount of nutrients found in 1 glass of juice. A 6-ounce glass of carrot juice contains large amounts of beta-carotene, which, when it's converted to vitamin A in the body, 948% of the daily value. The same glass of juice also contains 16 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 27% of the daily value, 0.4 milligram of vitamin B6, or 20% of the daily value, 537 milligram of potassium, or 15% of the daily value, and 0.2 milligram of thiamine, or 11% of the daily value. Juicing can even help to control your weight. Drinking juices helps the body iron out its nutritional deficiencies, which leaves you more satisfied from a healthy diet and less likely to overeat. Despite their nutritional goodness, juices should be used to supplement fresh fruits, vegetables, and grains in your diet, not to replace them. Juices don't contribute much toward the 20 to 35 grams of fiber that adults need each day. For example, 8 carrots provide 17 grams of fiber, while a 6-ounce glass of juice contains a measly 2 grams. Fresh juices supply more than the necessary vitamins and minerals. They also contain a variety of phytonutrients. Phytochemicals are compounds to cut cancer and heart disease. Perhaps the best known of the phytonutrients is beta-carotene, a plant pigment that gives the orange color on sweet potatoes and carrots and the red on tomatoes. Fruit and vegetables also contain flavonoids, which compounds that have strong antioxidant power and prevent low-density lipoprotein cholesterol. Flavonoids are powerful antioxidants to prevent cancer and heart disease. In a large study of more than 100,000 people, researchers found that adding 1 serving of fruits and vegetables to the diet each day lowered the risk of ischemic stroke, a stroke in which the artery to the brain is blocked, by 6%. The best protection came from citrus fruits, dark green leafy vegetables and cruciferous vegetables, which include broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Other studies have shown that antioxidants help prevent Alzheimer's disease. In 2002, researchers studied nearly 5,500 people and found that those who ate diets rich in the antioxidant vitamins C and E lowered their risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Drinking a large variety of vegetable and fruit juices is a wonderful way to get therapeutic amounts of all of these healing compounds. Drink your juices right away, otherwise it will lose their nutritional benefits and the flavor is also fleeting. Some juices, like cabbage, become funky in a few hours. So it's best to make only as much as you plan to drink right away. Any contents you want us to feature on this channel? Let us know in the comments section below.